All right, so there you go, guys. So, good morning, everyone. And for today's video, we are going to upload this new innovation that we have. All right, so for this innovation, okay, so this is a Fibonacci automated levels. All right, so this will, help traders to um, know if you are trading mostly in retracement. Okay, so um, this tool will be a very helpful tool in CTrader because you don't have to plot on yourself on the chart, but of course this tool will automatically plot for you. All right. So this is the good thing about this tool. And the price for this, okay, let's talk about this one. All right. There you go. Okay. So for this tool, all right, the Fibonacci automated levels is an automatic Fibonacci retracement indicators for C-Trader algo that dynamically detects the highest high and lowest low within a defined lookback period and plots Fibonacci levels automatically on the chart. Okay, now let's discuss. Instead of manually drawing Fibonacci retracement, so this indicator scan the last lookback bars, detect the swing low and high, okay, or high and low, and then determines trend direction, uptrend or downtrend. All right. So now let's proceed. So since this will automatically plot these key levels, the 0.0, 23, 38, 50, 61, 78, and 100%, right? And then all levels are drawn as dotted golden horizontal line with percentage labels on the right side of the chart. Now, how it worked? Okay, so based on our strategy for this, so if low form before high, it's uptrend. Okay, if high form, okay, before low, downtrend. Okay, so now let's proceed. Okay, so how to effectively use it? So best time frames are M15 H1, so that's for intraday trading, and H4 daily for swing trading. All right. So avoid very low time frame M1, so 1 minute, unless you reduce the loopback value. All right. So ideal loopback value setting. So let's talk about the lookback. Lookback. All right. The lookback for this one is the trading style suggested lookback. Okay, based on our study. Okay. So this on the scalping is 50 to 80 bars. And then for intraday, it's 100 to 150 bars. And then for swing trading, 200 plus bars. Okay. So that's swing. So, right. So in entry strategy, for example, so buy, when to buy, or buy setup for the uptrend. So price pullback to, okay, 38, 50, or 61. So worst scenario is 70. All right, 70, which is it's very low, right? The 78. Okay. All right. So now this is the ideal. Okay. Of course, in the buy setup, so what you gonna do is you can set the SL or the stop loss below the 78.6 or swing low, right? And then the TP is the previous high. All right. So the previous high of the candle. Like for example, this one. Okay, so let's check. All right. Okay. There you go. So in this case, we have here 1 hour. All right. So goes down. So downtrend. Okay. So now it go back to this level. All right, 78, almost 78, hitting this area, right? And then boom, it create what a candle formation. So this candle formation here with the green, which is with a higher wick, okay, of the candle, and then next is the red candle, okay. So after that, so if you pull the trigger here for this level, boom, okay, you can get the 100. Okay, I mean 1,000. If you're trading one lot size, right? So you get 1,310. Okay, for that move. Okay, so that's the the idea. Okay, that's the idea on how this works. Alright. Now let's proceed. Okay, so setup. Okay, so price retrace. Okay, price retrace at 38.50 and bearish confirmation. So there you go. Okay, it's a sell entering. They retrace. So TP is the previous low and then above 78 or the swing high. So this one here, as we can see, so you can put the stop loss here, right there. Okay, and then boom, you get this. Okay, you get this. All right. So that's make a sure, right? So the pro tips advanced usage. So you can combine this with these tools in AMA, market structure, high and low, and then RSI divergence, supply and demand zone, break and retest the setup. Okay. So strongest Fibonacci zone is here. Okay. So first is the 38. It's a shallow retracement, strong trend. And then 50 is the institutional zone. And then the golden pocket is 61. Okay. If you can see the price retrace or pull back to the price of around 61%. And then what happened is there's a permeation of the candle, okay, for that. So it can be a good idea or a point of entry from there or the point of interest. Okay, so possible for that one. Now, next is the 78.6%. So deep retracement. So this is very critical because it can also go 100%, right? If the strong momentum goes. All right. So now pros tips here is fully. So the pros on this indicator is fully automatic and no manual drawing. Okay, lightweight and simple logic as well, and works on all pairs, forex, gold indices. We can also put crypto here, crypto, right? And then clean chart design. All right, and then good for beginners and advanced traders. So cons for this is not true swing base, use high in look back. So can redraw when new high, lows. Okay, so it will automatically redraw once it creates a new high and lows form. Okay, so no alert system. All right, and no multi-time frame features. Right, so okay, so once you switch this Fibonacci, okay, so then it will, you need to wait um, for the indicator to scan, to rescan again on the chart, right? So yeah, no Fibonacci extension levels. Okay, so ideal users for intraday swing traders who want fast visual structure, and traders who use pullback strategy. So pullback strategy, right? So it could be a retracement, a pullback, and retracement strategy. All right. So for this tool, okay, so we're gonna show you guys. So once you buy, okay, This tool, me, all right. This tool is already a bit published. Okay. So this is under review. So probably within the next following day, you should be able to see this. All right. Okay. All right. So in the next following days, so next 3 days, since this is under review, so you get this. And the original price for this is 35, and we got a sale on for 25. All right. So now let's proceed with this one. Okay. So we'll go to the indicator, and then you can just go to this F, or okay, this indicator here, and then go to search Fibonacci automated. All right, automated, and then boom, add it on your chart. Once you add it, then wait for you can also set the lookback. If you are scalping, you can set to 50 to 80 bars, right? The lookback, or yeah, it depends on you guys. Okay. So now let's proceed. Okay. So on this one, all right. So you can put it on the chart or in panel one or new panel, but of course in the chart itself. All right. And then click OK. Once it's OK, then boom. So wait for a couple of minutes or seconds, then automatically it will load. All right. So there you go. This is it. All right. So now I'm trying to check the BTC USD for this move, and as you can see, there you go. Right. Okay. So now let's proceed for this one. So once you avail this, the original price for this is 35, and then the sale, we are on sale for this, and it's only for 25. All right. So please check in our channel, the Vostefx Trader, and with regards to this indicator, we will attach the strategy and how this works. All right. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great day. Stay safe always. Happy trading. Bye, everyone.